Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Okay, but before we begin, we need to remember about a few things. So, the first thing is that after the reset, when you will be in the setup process, there is a chance that the phone will want you to type your previous lock screen, of course if you had one, or it will want you to log in into the Google account on which you are logged in before the reset. There is a chance to it. So, before the reset, it's always good to check into which Google account, as you open up the settings and scroll down, into which Google account you were logged in. In my case, it's that one. So you'll be able to log in. Also, why is it even worth to perform a reset? Reset can help, for example, if your device is lagging really often, it takes a really long time before the app opens, the screen gets freezed, it's unresponsive, or for example when you want to sell your phone into other person, it's always good to perform a reset. Now, to perform a reset, we have two methods. We can use the option in the settings, that's the recommended way, and the second option, which is by the recovery mode, is recommended, for example, basically when we cannot perform the first method, when, for example, just like I was saying, the screen is unresponsive, the device is really lagged and we cannot do anything. So that's when we should perform the second method. I will show you both of them. To perform a reset from the settings, open them up, scroll down, into General Management, and in here we have Reset. Simply click on that. In here the phone also suggests us to create a backup of our data. I also highly recommend it because thanks to that we'll be able to restore our data later, so it's a pretty cool thing. We can in here create a temporary cloud backup or use the external storage backup. We have also other methods to create a backup. On our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all backup methods that we can perform on our Samsung. That's on our channel, so if you want you can look for that video. Now, we need to click on Factory Data Reset. In here you have a list of things that will be erased. Remember that factory resetting your device will cause this, that all of your data will be erased permanently. So that is why it's good to have a backup. And now simply tap on the reset. After that, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and you'll be in the setup process. And just like I was saying, there is a chance that you'll have to type your previous screen lock or log in into Google account on which you were logged in before. If you don't remember that Google account, there's a chance that you will have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. We also have videos about it on our channel. Alright, so that was the first method. When it comes to the second method, we need to have an USB-C cable. We need to have an USB-C cable, and we need to connect our Samsung into PC or laptop to get access into the recovery mode. So simply plug in your device, and now we need to power it off. So hold power button and volume down button for around 1 second, and now click on the power off, just like that. Okay, and now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to use the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. So keep holding. It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient. If nothing is going on, simply try again. Okay, this Samsung logo appeared. Let's keep holding both buttons. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use volume keys. And we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Remember that also all of your data will be erased. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now select factory data reset. Again, click the power button. We can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, that's the first option from the top. And click the power button to confirm. And now we'll be in the setup process. And the next thing that we need to do is to simply set up our device. Now we can unplug also our USB-C cable. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.